The future is now. The robo-cleaner from Karcher. The robo-cleaner will change your life because it vacuums your floors even when you are not at home. You have a choice of 4 cleaning programs. The robo-cleaner vacuums up to 15 square meters an hour. Contact sensors detect obstacles. With its intelligent dirt recognition sensor, the robo-cleaner adjusts itself to suit the degree of soiling. The robo-cleaner gets into every corner and finds its way out again. Cleaning different floor coverings is no problem for the robo-cleaner. It negotiates obstacles such as small ridges with the help of its sprung wheels. Optical sensors enable the robo-cleaner to identify stairs reliably. It travels systematically backwards and forwards across heavily soiled areas until they are clean, and then continues on its way. Guided by an infrared navigation beam, the robo-cleaner returns to base. After docking, it transfers its load of dirt to the base station and recharges its battery for the next tour of duty. If you want the robo-cleaner to vacuum while you are at home, simply switch it to the quiet mode. Its low build enables it to travel without difficulty under most items of furniture. The robo-cleaner from Karcher. The future is now.